Hello everyone. On this episode of Tinkering with Terrius, we are going to put together a little Christmas tree kit. This is the Christmas Tree 1 kit from Universal Solder. I bought this kit back in January. It was a seasonal item, so it's not currently available on Universal Solder, but it is a pretty neat kit, and with all of the snow we've been getting lately where I am, I figured may as well put it together because it's kind of Christmassy out there right now anyway. This kit video is going to be a bit different than normal. It's just going to be an intro and an outro, and then some fast-forwarded kit building in between. And this is also going to be posted while I am away from my computer for a week, so I just wanted to do up something fairly simple and easy that I could have pre-scheduled to release. The Bryman meter review is still in the plans, I just didn't have enough time to do it justice. Without further ado, here is the kit build. So because this board was out of season when I decided to assemble it here in April, it did not have its instruction page up on the website anymore, but luckily I was able to contact the support at Universal Solder and they were super awesome. They sent me over the Arduino sketch as well as the instructions for the Kit 1 and Kit 2 because I bought both of them. Now a handy thing in the instructions, it tells you to solder in the LEDs first, and after soldering them in last, I will agree with it. It would be much easier to assemble if you do the LEDs first. When you're putting in the LEDs, just make sure that the short leg and the flat side of the LED are to the left when you're looking at the main face of the board, the part of the board that says Arduino and Universal Solder on it. And even though the buzzer isn't mentioned in the instructions, the buzzer goes in on the rear of the PCB with the plus side facing to the right. All in all, it was a super easy to build little Arduino Christmas tree, and it was definitely a fun little build. The songs it plays are actually surprisingly good, and if you're a veteran at Arduino code or even just somebody that likes to hack around with it, I'm sure you could add in different songs and you could definitely hook up the buttons to do different functions. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, then give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below, or you can email them to me or tweet them to me. If you haven't already, then subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. They're not all going to be kit builds. We're eventually going to go back to projects and reviews and other things. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. At the end here, I also have some clips of the Arduino Christmas tree playing music and blinking its lights.